I'm going to be making some tawa naan today, which is using one of these tawas. Salt, bicarbonate of soda, plain flour, and I'm going to get some yogurt too, and some sugar. So let's start off with the flour, which is going to be added into the bowl. Then I'm meant to be adding half a teaspoon of sugar. Yeah, half a teaspoon of salt, maybe a bit more, these spoons are very small, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. So I've given this a hand mix, and now I'm going to add some oil, which is 2 tablespoons. So I think this is probably about it, I would say. And I'm going to add 2 cups of yogurt, and this is 2 cups there. Sorry, half a cup of yogurt, and half a cup is that much. So I'm gonna have to estimate it, and this is yogurt, or in Urdu they call dahi, or in Bengali you call it doi. So I'll say this is probably enough, maybe. And I'm going to give this a good mix now. I've got a meat curry cooking on the side, so I'm multi. So now the recipe calls for warm water, which I need to add slowly. Warm water. Okay. And I'm going to see how it goes, because I need to form doughs from this. So I'm going to add more water. Let's see how it goes. I should be able to make 6. So now that I've done the dough, I'm going to cover it up with a piece of cloth, and what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to put a plate over it too, and I'm going to let this rest for 4 hours until the dough has risen up. That's how you make naan. And then I've got a few things set up here, including the tawa, some flour here, which I'm going to put the dough in, and then I'm going to flatten it out and use my rolling pin to create the naan. Here's the second one. So I've got my balls here. Hope it's picking up. So they start off round, bit of powder in their flowers, then so time to flatten these naans out into bigger naan pieces. On my rolling pin. Let's have a go. Try to get them nice and round. And the key thing is to keep turning them around when you do it in order to get that circle. So I've created about 6 naan pieces, and I'm waiting for my tawa naan pan to heat up. So I'm going to give it about 5 minutes for it to heat up. I've been told by the video to use an aluminium steel pan, but I have this and I think it will do the job. So we're going to give this 4 minutes to heat up. So my tawa pan is ready, and I'm going to wet one side of the naan in order to make it stick onto the tawa pan. So I'm just applying some water around there, okay, just so they can stick. So the tawa pan, the tawa pan is on a low heat. I've wetted the naan. It's there in my hand, and I'm going to throw it onto the pan. Okay, there you go. It's on low heat, I've been told. The burnt look on the naan. I'm going to flip it over now. Hopefully it should still stick. Yep, it's sticking. I'm going to increase the flame at this moment. Flip it over, and I'm just going to rotate it around it. Okay. There you go. I'm going to move it around like this. Oops. So that's one there. That's 2 naan breads there, and the rest I'm going to do without the camera.